Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. So here if you try to see when I click on this one and I click on this add to list, so this is getting added. But here we are not showing the user rating and also this normal rating average also we are not showing. So here one book is getting added. Let's try to implement this scenario. So let's try to show the average of the ratings. For example, if I try to click on this one and select here, so the average rating of 8 plus 9 divided by 2, it should be average here. Now let's implement this one. If you go here, so this is our code and I will try to increase the font size so that it will be clearly visible for you people. Yeah, now this is entirely comes under book read summary. So in the book read summary we got the list of all the books, and here I need to show this one as this one is a static data. Now let's say we need to get an average. So for this one what I will try to do is format book response. I will add a average method, export function average, and I will send the array value, and here I will return array dot reduce. So I will use the reduce method, which you will get accumulator and the current value. And here in this current value what I will try to do is accumulator plus current. At the first time it should be 0. So if you don't know about this method, reduce method, I have already covered in our JavaScript array methods, so you can watch that video here. So we got the count. What I can say is add of all the ratings, and here what I will try to do is, so here I will do divided by array dot length. So this will give the average. Now I need to send all the array of ratings for this average method. So in this books read summary what I will try to do, so first let's say that I want to get a rating of the book. So here I will do average of, and here I will try to do books dot map of book, and I will do book dot rating. That's it. It will send you all the book rating. And here also I will do user rating is equal to books dot map of book dot user rating. So I will be sending the user rating which we have already. Now I want to use this rating and user rating here. So here I will use the rating, and here I will use the user rating. Okay, that's it. Now let's see the output for this one. See, here we are able to get an average, but here this time we are getting 8 and 9. So I think it is something like we will try to send only the number. Now if you try to see here, let's go into this one. Let's refresh this page, and here I will type monk. Okay, nan, let's leave it. And here we are getting big dot user rating. Okay, everything is, oh sorry, we need to get an average, right? I need to use the average method, so that is the problem. Okay, done. Now let's hope. Okay, we are getting nan, so we'll try to see it. And here I am selecting 7 add list. Okay, so we are getting 7 and 4.5. okay, and here this time I am adding 5 add to list, and here we are able to get the average of this one. So everything is working fine. Now if you don't have anything, so for example if I refresh this page, if I don't have anything, we are displaying nan. So if you are having this type of issue, means then what I can do, if rating is there then display, or otherwise 0. If rating is there, where is this one gone, or otherwise 0. So these two are the things which I want to display. And here where is this one, yeah, and here if you try to see the monk, and here if I, so now we are able to see the 0 also, right? So everything is working fine. Okay, and the another thing which I want to display is, for example let's say that which I want to do is, before closing off, so when this one is already rated by the user, so this book is already rated by the user. Now if I want to rate this, if I click on this one again, so we should not provide again for the user to rate this one. So we need to show that you already rated this book with some so and so stars. So we need to show. So here he has given 8 stars. So that is the message we need to show. Okay, for this one what we need to do is, so let's go to the app.js. Okay, and here we are having the book read list, right? So we are sending the books read data. Okay, let's go to the books read list, not book read list, book details. So here we are showing, and here we will send this books read data also to this one. So I am sending this data in book details. Let's go to the book details. Here I will close this one. Yeah, here I will be showing the book details in the book details.js. So here we got the books read data also. Books read data. And in this one, books read data. So when we are trying to show the star rating, so here we need to know that whether the book is available or not. Okay. So whether the book is rated or not. Constant is rated. How can I get that it is rated or not? So we need to know that selected ID is there. Okay. In this books read data, selected with the selected ID it is there or not, we need to see. So then what I need to do is, so here what I can say, books read data dot find, or otherwise what I can say, books read data is rated. So how can we write here? Let's say that map of book, you'll get each book, book dot id is equal to so we will get all this book dot id. We will get all this book dot id, and I will try to check that if it is includes in the selected id, so then we can able to get it. So now it is rated or not. So here if you want to get this one, rated book, and here books read data dot find of book. So whether we can change the logic also, just I am writing book dot id is equal to selected id. So I am getting this rated book also. Now if it is rated, so we know that it is already rated. So here what I can show in this div and this entire div, right? So now here what you can try to do, let's try to write it. So this could be somewhat difficult in JSX. If it is rated, okay, then I need to show you already rated this book, or otherwise, so we need to copy where this div is ending. Okay, nothing is ending here. So here I need to paste it in this one, and I need to save it. Oh, this one is we are not getting. Okay, let's try to open one div and close this one div. Maybe I think maybe we can get it. I don't know. Let's try to add it. Something problem is there. Let's try to copy this one, and I will delete this entire code. Let's see whether we can able to achieve it or not. Still why this one error is coming. Okay, div, this one is closed, and here also I will try to close. Now hopefully, yeah, everything is working fine. And here I will write in such a way that if user rating is greater than 0 ampersand, and I want to show this button, that's it. Yeah, somehow the code, yeah, now we got the code. Now if you try to see here, you already rated this book. Now let's see, and here, so as this one is a refresh, and here I will be using the monk, and I will click on this one, undefined book. What is this one? So book details, what is this getting? So dot map, I am using directly this map, right? Books read data. Books read data. What is this books read data we are having in our app.js? So by default, books read data is empty array only, right? Books read data is empty array only. Okay, and we are trying to map it. Okay, fine. So what could be the issue? Books read data, whether this name is correct or not. How we are trying to send it to here? Books read only we are sending, but we are using books read data. Okay, now hopefully everything works fine. Monk, and here if I try to click on this one, yeah, now I will try to rate this one, add to list. So it is been added. Now again I will click on this one, you already rated this book. So we are able to see that you have already rated this book. Now if I click on this one, so we are able to get this data, and I will click on this add to list. So everything is working fine. And if I try to click here again, you already rated this book. So this is how we will be. Now we are so now there is no provision for adding the duplicate data into the watch list. So this read list, book read list, there is no provision for us adding. So now we have prevented the elimination of this duplication thing, and also we are showing this one all. So in the next video, what we will try to do is we'll try to implement the deleting of this read list, book list also. We'll try to implement it. So that's it guys about this one. What I will try to do is I will commit this entire code in a new branch, that is video-69, video-69, and here so add book list data. So that's it. I will commit this entire code, publish. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.